Small neck knives are compact and versatile tools designed for easy carry and quick access. Typically worn on a lanyard around the neck, they feature sharp, sturdy blades ideal for everyday tasks and self-defense. Despite their size, these knives offer reliable performance and convenience, making them a practical choice for both outdoor enthusiasts and urban users. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 10. CRKT Thunderstrike Fixed Blade Knife is designed for rugged performance and reliability in demanding situations. Featuring a full Tang construction, this knife offers exceptional strength and durability. The 5.46-inch blade, crafted from high-quality stainless steel, provides sharpness and edge retention, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Its ergonomic handle, made from textured G10, ensures a secure grip even in challenging conditions, while the integrated finger guard enhances safety. The Thunderstrike includes a durable nylon sheath for convenient carry and quick access. With its robust build and versatile design, the CRKT Thunderstrike is well suited for outdoor adventures, tactical applications, and survival scenarios, combining functionality with a rugged aesthetic. Number 9. SOG Instinct Mini Small Fixed Blade Knife is designed for compact utility and versatility in a small, lightweight package. With a 2.6-inch stainless steel blade, it provides reliable sharpness and edge retention for everyday tasks and outdoor activities. The knife's full Tang construction ensures durability and strength, while the ergonomic textured handle offers a secure grip even in wet or challenging conditions. Its minimalist design includes a durable nylon sheath for easy carry and quick access. The Instinct Mini's compact size makes it an excellent choice for tasks requiring precision and portability, from camping and hiking to everyday carry. Combining practicality with a sleek, rugged design, the SOG Instinct Mini is a dependable tool for a variety of uses. Number 8. CRKT Minimalist Bowie Neck Knife Compact Fixed Blade Knife is a compact and versatile fixed blade designed for practicality and ease of carry. Featuring a 2.5-inch drop-point blade crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this knife delivers sharpness and durability for a range of tasks. Its full Tang construction ensures strength and reliability, while the ergonomic handle, made from textured G10, provides a secure grip. The Minimalist Bowie includes a lightweight, low-profile sheath that allows for convenient neck carry, making it accessible for everyday use or emergency situations. Its sleek, minimalist design ensures it remains unobtrusive while delivering dependable performance. Ideal for outdoor adventures, camping, and everyday carry, the CRKT Minimalist Bowie Neck Knife combines functionality with a modern, compact design. Number 7. Schrade SCHF47 Tay Full Tang Neck Knife is engineered for rugged durability and practical utility in a compact form. With a 3.4-inch fixed blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, it offers exceptional sharpness and edge retention. The full Tang construction provides robust strength and stability, while the textured handle scales ensure a secure grip even in challenging conditions. The SCHF47 Tay includes a durable, MOLO-compatible sheath that allows for versatile carry options, including neck carry for easy accessibility. Its compact size makes it ideal for outdoor activities, tactical use, or everyday carry, providing reliable performance in a variety of scenarios. Combining strength, precision, and convenience, the Schrade SCHF47 Tay Full Tang Neck Knife is a dependable choice for a wide range of tasks. Number 6. SOG Gambit is a versatile and rugged fixed blade knife designed for a variety of tasks and environments. Featuring a 3.5-inch stainless steel blade with a durable, corrosion-resistant finish, it provides reliable sharpness and edge retention. The knife's full Tang construction ensures exceptional strength and stability, while the ergonomic handle, made from textured G10, offers a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions. The Gambit includes a nylon sheath with a belt loop for easy and convenient carry. Its robust build and practical design make it suitable for outdoor adventures, tactical applications, and general utility. Combining functionality with a sleek, durable construction, the SOG Gambit is a dependable tool for any situation requiring precision and durability. Number 5. Tops's Mini Eagle is a compact, high-performance fixed-blade knife designed for precision and reliability. Featuring a 2.5-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, it offers excellent sharpness and edge retention, making it ideal for detailed tasks and general utility. The full Tang construction ensures maximum strength and durability, while the ergonomic handle, crafted from rugged micarta, provides a secure and comfortable grip. The Mini Eagle comes with a versatile Kydex sheath for easy and convenient carry, whether on a belt or as a neck knife. Its compact size and robust design make it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, everyday carry, and survival situations. Combining practicality with rugged performance, the Topaz Mini Eagle is a reliable tool for any demanding task. Number 4. Schrade's CZH-111 Gray Tie-Coated Karambit is a robust and versatile tool designed for tactical and utility purposes. Featuring a 3.5-inch blade made from high-carbon stainless steel, it boasts exceptional sharpness, durability, and edge retention. The gray titanium coating enhances corrosion resistance and adds a sleek, modern look. Its full Tang construction provides superior strength, while the ergonomic handle with finger grooves ensures a secure and comfortable grip. This SCH-111 includes a finger ring for added control and versatility in various tasks. The knife comes with a molded thermoplastic sheath, offering convenient and secure carry options. Combining functionality, durability, and tactical aesthetics, the Schrade CCH-111 Gray Tie-Coated Karambit is a reliable tool for both professional and everyday use. Number 3. Schrade SCH-47 Tanto blade, Paracord neck knife, is a compact and reliable tool designed for everyday carry and survival situations. Featuring a 2.56-inch high-carbon stainless steel Tanto blade, it offers exceptional sharpness, durability, and piercing capability. The full Tang construction ensures maximum strength, while the ergonomic handle wrapped in durable paracord provides a secure grip and emergency cordage. The knife includes a thermoplastic sheath with multiple carry options, including neck carry for quick and easy access. Its lightweight and versatile design make it ideal for outdoor adventures, tactical use, and general utility. Combining practicality with rugged performance, the Schrade SCH-47 is a dependable and convenient tool for a wide range of tasks. Number 2. KBAR TDI LDK is a compact, versatile tool designed for emergency self-defense and utility tasks. Featuring a 1.63-inch stainless steel blade, it offers excellent sharpness and durability in a discreet package. The knife's slim, lightweight design ensures it can be easily concealed and carried, whether in a pocket, attached to gear, or worn around the neck using the included lanyard. Its ergonomic handle, combined with a textured grip, ensures secure handling even in high-stress situations. The TDI LDK also comes with a hard plastic sheath that provides multiple carry options and quick access. Combining practicality with rugged construction, the KBAR TDI LDK is an essential tool for anyone seeking reliable personal protection and versatility. Number 1. Top's 3-pointer is a compact and robust fixed-blade knife designed for versatility and reliability in outdoor and tactical scenarios. Featuring a 3-inch blade made from high-carbon 1095 steel, it delivers excellent sharpness, edge retention, and durability. The blade's design makes it ideal for detailed tasks, from carving to general utility. The full Tang construction ensures superior strength, while the ergonomic handle, crafted from rugged micarta, provides a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions. The 3-pointer includes a durable Kydex sheath, offering versatile carry options for quick and easy access. Combining practical design with rugged performance, the Topaz 3-pointer is an essential tool for adventurers, survivalists, and everyday carry enthusiasts.